is up, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's video is going to be another one of my opinionated vlogs. Today we're going to talk about reselling taxes and the changes that are coming next year. Big changes coming next year, and I'm excited about them. I know a lot of people are kind of ticked off about it, but let's get... Alright, so first we're going to go over what the current tax rules are necessarily that a lot of smaller part-timer resellers don't really follow or abide by. That is, your reselling income is not reported to the IRS unless you currently make $20,000 in the calendar year and have 200 or more transactions on a single platform. So if you have 15,000 on eBay and 15,000 on Amazon, they're separate payment processors, so I believe that it doesn't get reported to the IRS. So a lot of smaller resellers don't report any of their income to the IRS, which you should do anyway, because you're breaking the law. Honestly, you're avoiding paying taxes when you should be paying taxes. Now, the big change that's coming at the beginning of next year is that you as a reseller, if you make only $600 and have only one transaction on any given platform or use any kind of payment processor online, they are going to report your income to the IRS. So a lot of the smaller resellers that haven't been paying taxes are going to be in for a rude awakening come next year, because they're going to have to keep track of all their receipts and everything. Personally, I keep my taxes, and I'm not going to make 20 grand on eBay this year, but I still report that income. And the same with Amazon. I'll make well over the $20,000 this year. But I got into the habit of doing taxes just using like QUICKBOOKS through the phone app and the desktop. It's so much easier to do that kind of stuff. And there's so many things when you dig into it where you can write off a lot of different things and you won't pay much in taxes, if any at all. I know everybody always hears about big corporations paying nothing in taxes. How do you think they do it? They make billions and billions and billions of dollars. So you as a small-time reseller can easily take some of the same steps to either pay no taxes or minimize your, the taxes you're going to pay. So I know a lot of people are pissed off about it because, you never paid taxes before. You made 15 grand on eBay and you never paid a penny in tax because you weren't worried about it getting reported to the IRS. But now everybody's going to have to pay the taxes. My biggest win from this whole thing is that since I have been paying taxes, even though I wasn't hitting the threshold incomes, is that more people are going to move away from reselling, because when they get their tax bills, it's not going to be worth it to them. So honestly, I see this as a good thing for the reselling community, whether it's eBay, Amazon, any of these platforms, because a lot of the small fish are going to go bye-bye. So comes with that, you're going to lose a lot of the people undercutting prices. I feel like prices are going to go up. Us as resellers are going to be able to get more money for our items we're selling. And yeah, it sucks, but honestly, you should be paying your taxes at the end of the day. So there's going to be a lot of ticked off people starting next year, because, even if you're part-time and you're barely doing eBay, or if you sell one laptop computer for 650 bucks, you're going to have to pay taxes on that income come next year. So I feel like in the beginning of the year, it won't be that big of a deal because a lot of people won't care about it. But personally, I do my self-employment taxes quarterly, and a lot of these people are going to wait till the end of next year, and they're going to be hit with a tax bill, and they're not going to know what to do about it, because guess what? It's the IRS, and they're going to get their money one way or another. So honestly, if you're not paying taxes now, even if you're under the threshold, I would start looking at what you can do. Get on QuickBooks. It's cheap. I think you can get a QuickBooks for $10 a month, and just start keeping track of things right now so you can get in the habit of, being on top of it. And there's no keeping all these receipts. QuickBooks, you scan the receipt in, it's saved in there forever. You don't have to have a whole binder full of paper receipts or any of that nonsense, So make it as easy as you can on yourself. But I'm telling you all now, you guys better start right now, because come next year, everybody's going to be in for a rude awakening. So I'm excited for next year's tax changes. I know a lot of resellers. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate it. And we will continue to upload multiple videos every week here on the channel. Bye-bye.